Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Myself Manisha Pathak from Samarpan Gyan School. Today we will be discussing about the next part of the chapter Flying Together. Let's begin with it. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. He got the top and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. Then after what happened when Hunter came there, he saw that there is a flock of geese who lived on this tree. Then he climbed up with the help of those creepers which was down at the tree, and now it has become stronger, which had become a strong creeper on which we can climb on and go on a tree very easily. Okay, the hunter went on the tree, he spread the net, and then he came back down. In the evening the geese returned home. They did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. They struggled hard to get out but could not. Then in the evening, when the geese returned home, they were not knowing. Okay, they were not knowing that there is a net which hunter has spread on the tree. So it just flew on it and they got trapped. They struggled a lot. They struggled a lot to get out of it, but they were not able to. They even cried, "Help, help, please help. Take me out, take us out from it." But there was no one to help them all around. "All right, help, help," cried the geese. "We are caught into the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do now?" Now they are crying a lot and they were asking for the help, but there is no one all around to make them rescue from it. Then let's see what happens. "Don't make a fuss now," said the wise old bird. "Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill all of us." Then, as I have said earlier, children, there was one old bird, old wise bird. He already have told them, "Please, let's destroy that creeper. One day it will be the one which will destroy our life, and the day has arrived. See what happened today. We all are trapped in a net, and tomorrow morning when hunter will come, he will kill all of us." "We were foolish," wept the birds. "We are very sorry we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do." Now all the birds have realized their mistakes, and they are weeping in front of the old bird. They are saying, "Think of some idea, let's get out of this. You only say now what we can do." Oh. "Then listen carefully," replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still. The hunter will not want dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds, and take them home. Okay, then the old wise bird, he has given one idea. By seeing the all birds weeping, he just said, "Okay, I will help you out. Just listen to me carefully. Just listen to the idea which I am going to give you all." Okay, then he just gave the idea that when tomorrow morning the hunter will come, you people just you birds just lie that if you are dead. Okay, just lie as if you are dead. Okay, the birds said, "Yes, we will do that." Then wise bird said, "No hunter will want dead birds. Nobody will want dead birds. All right, then he will throw us on the ground and we will just lie down as if we are dead. Let's see what happens next. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away." Okay, see, then when hunter will come, he will throw one by one to us on the ground. When the last one will fall from up to down, we will, as soon as he throws the last bird, immediately we will get up and we will quickly fly away. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the nest. And this is what happened next. On In the morning, the hunter came and climbed on the tree. He looked at the geese in the net. Then he looked at the geese. What geese are? As if geese are there in the net or not. Then he saw the geese. They are all dead, he muttered to himself. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one has been thrown down. And the same thing happened, which geese has already given idea to the other birds. And same thing happened. The hunter came and he climbed upon the tree, and then he saw all the geese are dead. Then he started throwing one by one geese to the ground. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. And immediately, when the hunter threw the last bird, immediately they got up and they flew away. Okay, children? I hope you must have understood the story. All right. Thank you.